In our last video we discussed about basic skills in long jump, the running up, takeoff and the flight. So today our topic is high jump. High jump is an athletics event which involves jumping vertically over a raised bar. Basic materials for high jump. Pair of high jump stands with T-base. High jump crossbar made of polyethylene foam tubes. High jump mat made of foam. High jump basic techniques/skill. Run up, preparing for takeoff. Takeoff, period between the run and the takeoff. Flight, traveling the air. Landing, finish jumping. Recovery, standing on the feet. Basic styles in high jump. Scissors. Straddle/Western roll. Fosbury flop. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.